let's welcome in our next guest of Open Text, Mandu Ranganathan, CFO of Open Text. Thank you for being with us and welcome back to the show. We spoke last August. You're based in Canada. We want to hear the very latest about your quarterly report. How did you feel about the last earnings season?
Yeah, thank you for having Open Text, Nicole. It's great to be with you. Look, since the Micro Focus acquisition and our AMC divestiture about 8 months back, we've been focused on getting our business model right-sized and delivering strong operations. Margin was a top priority. In our Q2 results, we showed that we can deliver an amazing 38% adjusted EBITDA margin, $500 million of adjusted EBITDA dollars. Our free cash flow was up strong to $300 million. And we had record cloud bookings of $250 million, and our cloud revenue grew 3%. Our revenue growth challenges for second half are near term. We had a few exceptions with one specific contract, 2 product lines, but localized in license and maintenance. It creates a headwind for a March quarter, and we fully expect to return to organic growth in Q4 with continued cloud growth.
And when we spoke last time, you had cloud growth of 10% or so. So that's continuing with huge partnerships and customers, the likes of Johnson & Johnson and Nestle, and you've been adding some new ones too. Tell me more about the cloud bookings, which you explained just now, but I'd love to hear more because I think people do focus on that, coupled with getting some new customers in.
Absolutely. So our $250 million cloud bookings growth for the enterprise in the quarter was 6% year-over-year growth. For annually, we're guiding 20 to 25% for our fiscal 25. In Q2, very good customer wins. Bosch for legal tech. We had ST Micro for the developer. BASF is using our business network for global supply chain. Novo Nordisk for observability and service management. And Gulf Warehousing Company, GWC Qatar, for content. Our next growth opportunity continues to be with our hyperscaler partners who play an expanded role in our cloud growth. Take Microsoft. We've decided to bring our XDR platform to market on Azure and integrate with MS Security Copilot. Our new SaaS platform and new sovereign capabilities will run on Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Our private cloud runs across the hyperscalers for customer choice, either AWS, GCP, or Azure. And SAP continues to be a very strong partner for us, and our SAP products runs in SAP Cloud and across all the hyperscalers. So yes, strong cloud bookings, the momentum continues.
So industry leaders are trying to sort of tackle how to handle AI, use AI, monetize AI, boost productivity with AI. These are the conversations you're having, right?
Yes, absolutely. Happy to share. Our growth strategy means embedding AI, which is our Aviator product, everywhere to empower what we call the knowledge workers to significantly raise their productivity. Our next-gen platform, April is a big month. The next quarter is a big quarter for us. It's called Titanium X, and it's about 60 days away. As I said, we expect to deliver it in April. It's been a 2-year project where we've been embedding within our software AI, a whole new conversational user interface, as well as re-platforming for SaaS. So that's 15 Aviators and over 100 agents across our products. And beyond Titanium X, we are working on what we call agentic AI across all our product lines to create a new type of digital worker. So yes, Nicole, we have an opportunity to engage a very rich installed base, the 120,000 customers, and every customer is an opportunity to upgrade as well. And this is a big deal for us. It's top of our growth driver to modernize platforms, to lift them into the cloud, and of course, to be able to turn on AI automatically.
Yeah, and look, I mean, 120,000 enterprise customers in 180 countries plus, right? So that being said here, when we think about Titanium X, do you think that will make a lot of news when it actually occurs? Because we've been waiting for this, right? This is your moment.
Yes, yeah, we had a preview in Las Vegas in October. As I said, the teams are ready to launch it in our next quarter. And April is the time, and it's going to introduce us to SaaS and just unlock quite a bit of opportunities, and the teams are very excited.
And tell me more about the outlook here. I mean, I know shareholders are happy they're getting a dividend, for example. You have growth strategies. Tell me about the outlook for not only this year, but really the long-term agenda, because you are working with the hyperscalers.
Yes. So the priority is fiscal 25. In fiscal 25, returning to organic growth in Q4, that's our fourth quarter. As I said earlier, we've made a big dent on margin expansion. We delivered close to 38% in our Q2, and we're targeting for the year 33 to 34%. So the outlook is going to be building upon a strong fiscal 25 Titanium X and cloud bookings and into fiscal 26 and beyond. From a shareholder perspective, look, the stock continues to be undervalued, right? We are very committed to accelerated cloud growth and margin expansion, capital returns. I will make a comment on that. We expect to deliver $570 million to our shareholders in this fiscal year, between dividends and share repurchases. We're strongly positioned, Nicole, for margin expansion, cloud growth, and continued capital returns to our shareholders.
Yeah, understood. Stock yesterday was really jumping on all the news, right? That was its largest percentage increase since November of 2023. So shareholders were happy yesterday. Long term, this is a stock that's gone from $40 to probably $27 or so. So it has been, beaten down a bit. But as you said, you feel like you're fairly valued. You have more value to give, right?
Absolutely. Between products, our rich install base, the cloud growth, and let's keep in mind, we are a profitable company, right? We know how to deploy our spend envelopes into innovation and go to market and remain profitable, and that's a good thing for our shareholders in terms of capital return. So yes, we're strongly positioned.
And last but not least, maybe just a final thought of what's on your mind today.
Yeah, so to continue to deliver a strong 25 and into 26, there's a lot of activity going on in the macro, including the new administration, but we see positives, between the SMB focus the new administration is doing, as well as the manufacturing. We're very well positioned, or take Doge, for example, our software, our products, automation, AI focus, I think can take advantage of a lot of the macro developments as well.
Good to see you, Mandu Ranganathan, CFO of Open Text. Thank you so much for joining us here on Schwab Network on the watch list. Appreciate it. Good to see you again. Thank you.